Hello everyone. Medical termination of pregnancy or MTP refers to the intentional ending of pregnancy before the baby is fully developed, usually within the first 12 weeks. Every year, about 45 to 50 million MTP are performed worldwide, which is roughly 1/5 of all pregnancies. In India, MTP was legalized in 1971 with strict guidelines to prevent misuse. यह कानून खासकर महिलाओं के प्रति होने वाली गलत व्यवहार जैसे कि फीमेल फिटिसाइड को रोकने के लिए बनाया गया है. Women usually opt for MTP due to unwanted pregnancy caused by unprotected sex, contraceptive failures, or sexual assault. In some cases, continuing the pregnancy may pose health risk to the mother or fetus, making MTP medically necessary. MTP is relatively safe during the first trimester, up to 12 weeks, but abortion in the second trimester carry higher risk. A major concern is illegal abortion performed by unqualified persons, which can lead to serious health complications or deaths. Another illegal practice is using amniocentesis for sex determination, which often leads to selective female abortions. ये अवैध प्रथाएं सामाजिक और कानूनी दोनों रूप से गलत और इन्हें रोकना जरूरी है. Sexually transmitted infections (STIs) are infections passed mainly through sexual contact. Common STIs include gonorrhea, syphilis, genital herpes, chlamydia, hepatitis B, and HIV/AIDS. Some infections like hepatitis B and HIV can also spread through contaminated needles, blood transfusions, or from mother to child during pregnancy. Early symptoms of STI may be mild, such as itching, discharge, or pain in the genital areas. Sometimes women do not show symptoms, making early detection difficult. Untreated STIs can cause serious complications like pelvic inflammatory disease, infertility, ectopic pregnancy, and even cancer of the reproductive tract. STI are a major public health concern, especially in young adults aged 15 to 24 years. Prevention includes avoiding multiple sexual partners, using condoms consistently, and seeking prompt medical care if infection is suspected. We have studied about MTP. MTP helps terminate unwanted and risky pregnancy safely when done legally. Illegal abortion and sex selective practice are harmful and punishable by law. STI can be prevented with safe sex practice and treated if detected earlier. Awareness and access to healthcare service are essential to reduce risk related to MTP and STIs. कभी भी अगर आपको MTP या STI के बारे में संदेह हो तो एक योग्य डॉक्टर से सलाह लें. सही जानकारी और सुरक्षित उपाय आपके स्वास्थ्य के लिए बहुत जरूरी है.